Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying credentials and preserving the current state. Sign into the correct Apple ID because contacts sync per account. Once done, enable iCloud contacts so iPhone can pull data. Make a quick backup to iCloud or create an encrypted iTunes/Finder backup. This protects anything you change. Now, force a sync by toggling contacts off, choose Keep on my iPhone, then toggle back on to prompt iCloud to refresh and start the actual restore. Next, decide which source to restore from and why. iCloud is fastest for individual contacts. A full backup is best if many items or group data are missing. If using iCloud, check iCloud. To confirm contacts are present, then toggle contacts sync. If that fails, sign out and back into iCloud to force reload. If you need a full restore, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase and Restore from Backup, or connect to iTunes/Finder and apply the encrypted backup. Finish by waiting for the sync to complete. Larger contact lists can take minutes, so be patient and avoid toggling repeatedly. Make sure you view contacts by all accounts to see everything, and if you find duplicates or missing entries, use iCloud. Com's Restore Contacts feature to roll back to a previous version. If problems persist, try restoring a different dated backup or contact Apple support for account-specific issues. These steps protect data while recovering the most complete contacts set possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.